Sure. Here's a perfectly flowing scrambled-style YouTube video script for a review of the BYD U9 2025, written without headings and in a casual, engaging tone. Just imagine a car that feels like it was built straight out of the future. Sleek, powerful, and undeniably luxurious. That's exactly what the 2025 BYD U9 brings to the table. The moment you lay eyes on it, that ultra-shiny red finish hits you. It's not just paint, it's personality. Every curve, every line on the body screams modern elegance and aerodynamic precision. Under the hood, you're getting blistering performance. The BYD U9 isn't just for show, it moves. This electric beast is powered by a cutting-edge EV drivetrain that delivers instant torque and surprisingly quiet acceleration. It feels like you're gliding even at high speeds. And of course, with BYD's track record in EV innovation, you know the tech is top tier. Step inside and it's another world. The cabin feels like a high-end lounge with futuristic vibes. The leather seats are plush, with detailed stitching and sculpted support. The ambient lighting wraps around you like you're in a concept car. And let's talk about that massive dashboard display. Sharp graphics, seamless interface, and loaded with intelligent features from navigation to entertainment. But here's what really sets the BYD U9 apart. It's not just about luxury or power. It's the perfect balance of both. The suspension is smooth, handling is sharp, and you feel connected to the road but completely comfortable. Whether you're cruising downtown or pushing it on the highway, it delivers confidence and control. BYD also didn't hold back on the tech. You've got advanced driver assistance, full connectivity, voice control, and even facial recognition in some trims. It's like your car knows you. And charging? Super fast. The U9 supports ultra-rapid charging tech, so you spend less time plugged in and more time enjoying the drive. In a world where EVs are becoming more common, the 2025 BYD U9 stands out, not just as a car, but as a statement, a symbol of where design, technology, and sustainability intersect. It's bold, smart, and seriously fun to drive. If you're looking for a luxury EV that turns heads and delivers on every front, this one's worth a serious look. Let me know if you want this restructured into chapters or spoken by a narrator with tone notes.